Welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this slow motion tango section, we're going to be taking a look at a corte coming from a sacada and also how we exit.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and please like it if you like it.
Now, let's get to the dance floor. Quick note before we continue.
We would like to invite you to check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where you can see our tango school online tango training.
Just simply go to miriamleonardotango.com and you are going to find a lot of videos downloadable, and also you can have unlimited access to all of them being a member of our website. Tango training for followers, tango training for leaders by themselves, solo training, also for couples, milonga, vals, choreographies, so you can practice and follow along. We have playlists, tango music playlists, a lot of things.
So one more time, the webpage is miriamleonardotango.com, and now we go back to the video. Awesome, guys. You made it until the end of the video.
Thank you for your support, and we really look forward to seeing you on the next one.
Bye.